The final allocation for season 2 of NodePay is finally out. So if you come to your check airdrop, you are going to see your final allocation. But there are a few controversy that I've noticed here. If you look at my season 0 and season 1, what I got was actually 600 and I think 20 something. So what was added, I don't think is even up to 20 or so. So I'm even shocked now. So let me show you my 2. So you can see in my season 2 I had 100 plus, then season 2 I had 200 plus. What I actually found was 400,000 plus, but it was reduced to 200 plus. So, and if you compare with what I was allocated as the final allocation, this is quite disheartening. So then I checked through what they actually posted on their Discord account. So I found this. You can see they said we're excited to announce that our update checker is live. This marks a major milestone. Then the total supply. Then they said season 2 recap. They said season 2 ended, that's December 31st. Requirement, proof of humanity, then connected to Solana wallet before deadline. Now, reflect in the checker. If you join season 2 and made the requirement of season 2 point and legibility should appear on the dashboard. Then updated fairness and scoring rule. Here they say we now only remove points in flagged category instead of zeroing out your entire balance for minor offenses in season 2. In my own opinion, I don't think I violate any rule. I did not use VPN. I did not run scripts. I did not buy referral. So if you join my link, so then they say reward distribution. Let me continue. Season 2 participants, we welcome our growing community. Since our journey began more recently, your allocation is proportionate to the time frame of your contribution. By staying active in season 2 and beyond, it will be more. So I don't really understand. Seriously, I don't really understand. I think this is actually not fair. This is actually not fair. So I don't know about your allocation. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. How is your allocation? Do you think it's fair enough? So, but personally, I don't find it funny. So